Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel, Jackie Journey, Fashion, Travel and Lifestyle. In today's episode, I have a very special item with me, which is Jil Sander. Today we are going to unbox my latest Jil Sander pickup. During the New Year's, few days ago, I was in Hamburg with my friends, and of course in Hamburg there is one Jil Sander store, one of the many in Germany and in Europe. So we went to the store and surprisingly, it was a good deal. It was 40% off at the time on the 2nd of January. So I've got something with me, and in today's episode we are going to unpack it all together. So let's take a closer look with me right now. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe to my channel below and feel free to comment. It can be about anything, it can be about the topics that we are going to discuss today, which is Jil Sander items, or it can be about my videos, my performance and overall, I would love to hear feedback in order to improve my channel, because I really put my time and I really put my passion to making these videos. I would really appreciate if you all can give me, feedback, click like, or even share this video to your friends if you find it nice. So thank you. Okay guys, alright, I've moved to my bedroom because I feel like this is a good spot, because there is a sunlight and it gives a natural light to me, which is not very often in the Netherlands, as you all know it. It can be very cloudy, and today is a lucky day to do the unpack. So I have moved to my bedroom, and it's also, giving like a cozy vibe with minimalist unpacking from Jil Sander package. So I have the package here with me right now. Jil Sander standard, typical shopping bag from Jil Sander. So I have purchased from the store in Hamburg, right? And it's kind of, my reminiscence of the memory that in 2017, when I was a student, I went to Hamburg and I went to this Jil Sander store. Well, not exactly the same location, but it's like the next block to the current store in Hamburg. So I went to the shop and I went to try on the oversized t-shirt from women's department, and I kind of had a talk with the sales assistant, and I really showed the passion that I have for the minimalist brand of Jil Sander. And I think the SA, the sales associate, kind of spotted that I was really a big fan of Jil Sander. So she kind of gave me like a collection book from Fall Winter 2017, and she gave it to me in a shopping bag. It was like a black small size shopping bag, which is actually quite similar to the small tango bag from Jil Sander. So she gave it to me in that shopping bag, and then she tied it, very cute. So I really had a good, impressions of the store in Hamburg. And when I have a chance this year, so I went back to Hamburg with my friends, and then I just want to reminisce what or remember what happened to me in the past. But now, let's take a closer look. I'm gonna unpack it right now. So this is the receipt from the purchase. Inside there's like my receipt and also the business card from the store manager in the store in Hamburg. And this is the package that he wrapped it for me. Very cute. So it's a canvas cotton fabric. It's the same fabric as the holder on the back here. So what I actually bought is the very nice piece. We're gonna see it together in a few moments. So that's the item for today. Oops. Jil Sander wool shirt in gray. Very nice, very high quality fabric. I think the price of this shirt was like 790 but then it was on a 40% off discounted, so I paid 475 euros for the wool fabrics shirt from Jil Sander. This one is size 39, but still it fits slightly oversized on my body because you all know it that I like oversized stuff. This shirt is made in Italy, and you can see the detail here. It's size 39, made in Italy. You can now tap to check the authenticity of the items, and also that's new actually. I've never seen that before. I'm trying to look for what kind of fabric here. So the main fabrics here is 100% wool. I feel like that's more appropriate when you pay, like, you know, quite an expensive like 400 euros for one nice shirt. You deserve a fabric like wool or like cashmere or mohair. Well, I would say that I wouldn't pay something 400 euros if it's like polyamide or viscose fabrics, even it's from Jil Sander. But this one is because it's wool, and I think like, yeah, its quality is good for the price. I know that it could be cheaper, but I think 400 for the look that I get from this. The thing that I like about this is because, you know, it's very formal, and in a way it's like I don't have to take care much when it's wool fabrics, you know. I don't really have to be concerned so much about the wrinkles. I mean, I can just iron it one time and then it's gonna stay like that, you know. I mean, you see the crease from the folded on the shirt, but I'm sure that if I hang it for a few hours, it's gonna disappear automatically. That's the good thing about wool fabrics, because I actually had a similar one from Acne Studios, but it's in black, and also I have the other one from Marni, which is also the tropical wool, and I feel like, yeah, it's kind of, you know, very comfortable to have the wool shirt just in case you need to grab it quickly to go out for the formal event, or like to kind of some events that require certain level of formality, or going to work or going to the meeting. I feel like that's an appropriate value of this shirt that I bought from Jil Sander. So I'm trying to styling it, and I think I'm gonna actually make a next video about how the Jil Sander shirt looks different from the other one in a similar style but from the other brand. So I'm gonna make a comparison between high-end brands like Jil Sander and mid-range market like COS, and then I'm gonna compare it next to each other, style to style, and see what's the difference between 400 euros, 475 euros shirt and like 100 euro wool shirt. So I'm gonna make a comparison about that. The same fabric, which is wool fabric as well. Here you can see that they really use the buttons that blends in with the whole fabrics of the shirt, and this is the quality of the shirt in detail, you know. The stitching, the cut is very sharp. Inside you have the normal neck tag Jil Sander. This is not from the Jil Sander, it's from my wardrobe, which is from Ralph Simmons, and you can see the detail. Inside there is also the price tag here and the care label, of course. You can actually see through the fabric itself from inside when I hang it. There is like the perfect patterns of this fabrics and of this shirt. You can see the detail of the cuts here. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. On the cuff as well, it's like 100% perfect shirt. You cannot really find it from any, you know, like street fashion brands anymore these days. It has to be from a certain kind of brand, you know, and this is what I feel like is the true quiet luxury vibe that is giving me. Package from COS. Let's open it. So this one is a wool shirt from COS, product certified to RWS, contain wool fiber from farms, certified to animal welfare and land management requirements. Also in overall cutting, like you can see the sharpness, the Jil Sander one is giving more sharpness than this one from COS, especially at the collar. It's due to the nature of the fabric, I guess. So this one is made from the outer fabric is polyester, 58% polyester and 42% wool. So it's definitely not the entire shirt is not made of wool. But let's try it on. Overall, it looks similar, but if you go into the details, you see like the cutting on this shirt is different from the one from Jil Sander. Like here, there is like loose stitches, and the collar detail, even though it looks nice, but compared to Jil Sander, no, that's the different levels of cutting and the fabric. Oh, I didn't see the detail of the shirt in here. There is one like small detail here at the collar. It's a double collar where under it you can button it here, and then you can cover it with the secondary layer of the collar. Cool. This one is from the men's grey wool shirt department from COS. But what do you think about the comparison between the Jil Sander t-shirt and this one from COS from men's department? Right, now I'm gonna switch to the women's version from COS. I'm gonna switch to the women's version of the grey wool outfit, which is the shirt and the bottoms from COS. Okay, now I have the pants from the women's department. It's also from COS. It's also a wool fabric, but it feels much better than the male's versions because, well, definitely it feels much better, and the one from women's department is feels more stylish, you know. So here's the combination between the women's wool trousers and the men's wool shirt from COS. Okay, and now this is the last piece from COS, but this one looks so crappy. Oh my god, look at the detail on the back. Like, it's so wrinkly, and you can obviously see that well, this is not structured at all. Like, don't even think about comparison between Jil Sander, but I wouldn't actually compare it to this one from COS itself. So I think I'm gonna skip this one actually. I'm not gonna try it on. Well, anyway, for the sake of trying, since I've already got a package with me here right now, I'm just gonna put this one on. It's not gonna be good because this one feels so rough. The wool on this jacket is very rough, like I can already feel it on my neck. Stay tuned in the next video, and I hope you like this video of my Jil Sander unboxing in January 2025. If you like this video, comment below and also subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.